everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Here's today's update for malware news. Call it locking the front door and leaving the back door wide open, or not locking any of the doors at all. But that's exactly what's been happening on scores of iOS and Android phone apps that have been leaking heaps of user data due to misconfigurations. Mobile security firm Zimperium found over 11,000 on Android and over 6,000 on iOS apps leaking users' personal information, passwords, and medical information due to cloud misconfigurations. Meanwhile, the IT firm that serves 90% of the aviation industry has warned several international airlines of a data breach. SITA, an IT operator in the aviation sector, serving Singapore Airlines, United, and Lufthansa, as well as many others, suffered a data breach that impacted the data of airline passengers around the world. 3 more malware strains in the SolarWinds attack have also been spotted. Microsoft and FireEye revealed 3 more malware strains, Sun Shuttle, Goldfinger, and Zipbot, associated with the suspected Russian perpetrators who breached the SolarWinds software. Hope that you are staying safe out there in the cyber world, and reach out to us if you need any help. Have a good day.